achieve. Father, 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 help us, and some guidance from above. 'Cause right now people have me questioning, where is the love?
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. Today I'm going to do a quick review for this Air Jordan 11 retro sneakers here. So now let's check the details here. So this is the leather side of these shoes here. Here got some webbings stitched on the uppers to keep the lace here, right? Okay, and here this is the patterned leather materials here. On the markup piece around this toe cap piece and to the back counters here, and on the near the collars on the back counter you got the Jumpman logos embroidered on it. So now let's have a clear review for these Jumpman logos here. Okay, now let's move to the back counters to check the details here. Okay, and on the top of the back counter near the collars, they got printed with words on it, patterns here, right here. Okay, and this is the leather materials, so you can have a close review. And the patterns leathers near this back counter. Okay, and check another piece, the lateral side here. Okay, let's check all the details together. Now let's move to the this toe cap piece. Yeah, this the laces here, and the time you got woven labels here. Got Jumpman and Air Jordans or Sonnets. Okay, let's move to the collars here. Okay, so the bottoms, this is the midsole. Here this rubber materials in red colorways. So this rubber materials is matched, color is matched to these Jumpmans. Okay, so this is the patterns on the bottom. So also template is like this. Yeah, check all the details here. It looks like a little bit translucent, so you can see the Jumpman beneath it, right? So this is the piece on the back counter, all the details here. And on this part you got here fibers patterns here. And now let's check the box here. I got the swoosh logos, and this side all the details here. Okay, so these are the total review for this Air Jordan 11 sneakers. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. Okay, see you next video. Bye.